Bismillah. We're going to talk about 4 secrets to never have dental plaque again that you can do naturally from home. So first, what is the difference between plaque and tartar? Both are buildup on the teeth. So the difference is that tartar is a calcified, hardened version of the plaque. So they're both the same thing, but at a different stage. And it roughly takes about 24 to 72 hours for that plaque to harden into tartar. Okay, number 1 of the 4 main things that you should do to prevent dental plaque and tartar is something simple, and that's flossing. Now, I'm saying this one first because it's probably the easiest and overlooked. And what's important about flossing is because no matter what else you do, floss can actually get in between and into those cracks more than your brush or other items you might try to put in your mouth. But a lot of people floss wrong, and this can actually lead to your gums receding and causing other problems in your teeth. So you want to do this carefully. Make sure you have a wax-covered floss first. Don't get a string or something without wax on it, because you need to be gentle as your gums cut very easily. Don't press down in between your teeth too hard. If it's not going in, don't force it to go in. You have to be very gentle. And you want to just be quick, up, down, and out. Don't go sideways and try and do the other tooth and pull across on the gum at the bottom. This causes those black triangles to form and your gums to recede from between the teeth. So you don't want to do that. Just quick up, down on one tooth, and then you can go back in carefully up, down on the other side. Do not go across where the gum is. Okay, number 2, something about brushing. Do not brush your teeth. You know, they always say to brush your teeth, make sure you brush twice a day. But you know, if you brush your teeth and then you feel your teeth with your tongue, you'll still feel like grittiness. Even if you're brushing for so long and you're supposed to brush with a soft brush as well, and still, you'll still feel like it missed so much on your teeth. It's not like perfectly smooth glass teeth. Why? A brush does not do a good job. In fact, it causes your gums to recede more and be damaged. It causes the plaque to still be built up on your teeth and doesn't do much but harm your mouth. So the best alternative to that is rubbing your teeth. Now you can get something they call teeth wipes. You probably have to order those online. They don't sell those kind of thing in your local store. And I don't buy them myself because I just use a little rag that I have just for my teeth. And you can do the same. You can get any kind of washcloth, cut it in a smaller piece, like a 4-inch by 4-inch square. It's probably a good size. This way it's not too big and you can fit it in your mouth. And you just want to put it over your finger and rub your teeth with it on the front and the back side, all the sides with your finger and washcloth. Now, if you try this, you'll notice the difference right away compared to a toothbrush. It actually makes your teeth smooth. It gets off all that bumps and grittiness that your toothbrush could not. And if you have a lot of buildup, tartar, no, you're not going to just rub it off, but there's something you can do. You want to apply one of these natural options to your rag, or you can apply it with your finger before and then rub it off with your rag. Okay, number 1, if you like this one, you can apply a little bit of clove powder on your tooth rag. Make sure it's a little bit damp first and then put a little bit clove powder where your finger would be, and then rub this on your teeth. You can also mix the clove powder with a little bit of olive oil first, so it's kind of like a paste, and then apply that onto your teeth. Cloves are really great at fighting all kinds of microbes and bacteria, so they'll help to kill those off and all those precursors that lead to tartar buildup and plaque in your mouth. So it'll get rid of all of that naturally. And you just rub it on your teeth and you can leave it there for about a minute. and then rinse it all out of your mouth. If you don't like cloves, because it is kind of a strong taste and it also has a numbing effect for your gums, if you don't like that, you can try baking soda, which is also really good because not only does it soften the tartar buildup, making it easier for it to get removed, but it also helps to whiten the teeth a bit if you have some staining, prevents any extra tartar buildup because it helps to balance the acids in your mouth. It stops the formation of new plaque and tartar. How to do it? You can use a little bit of baking soda mixed with a little bit water to make a tiny bit of paste, or you can even combine some of the baking soda with your regular toothpaste and put that on your rag and rub your teeth with that. You can leave it on for a few minutes if you have stains, or if you don't and you want to just rinse it off, you can just rinse it off after you're done rubbing on your teeth. Another really good natural option is oranges, specifically the orange peel. The orange peel has a lot of vitamin C in it and helps to fight off the microbials that form in your mouth. So you could just take an orange peel, rub the inside on your teeth. Do that for about 2 minutes and it will help to remove the tartar bacteria and any kind of buildup on your teeth and gums. And vitamin C is really powerful, so it will help to also to strengthen and repair the damage done to your gums. I thought here, why do we have to work so hard to get rid of plaque and tartar from our teeth? One is that if you leave the tartar and plaque building up on your teeth, it can cause chronic gingivitis and bleeding of the gums and causing your teeth also to break down and eventually lose your teeth. And also scientists have found that having poor dental hygiene can lead to diabetes and heart disease. So take better care of your mouth. This is important. And yes, I know having tartar, some of us are just prone to it. It's not your fault. But these are things that we should just stay on top of, and these are easy ways you can do it at home without having to dread going to the dentist and their metal pick every time. So I have a few more choices you can pick. You can also try aloe vera gel. You want to use the fresh aloe vera from the leaf. Don't buy the stuff from the store. Get a real aloe vera plant. Peel off the green part and the flesh in the inside. That's what you want to use. It is a little bit bitter, but it's extremely great for your teeth. It reduces any kind of tartar and bacteria accumulation in your mouth, helps to heal up your gums. So it's really great for your teeth. You can mix it if you want with a little bit of glycerin. So you would put a teaspoon of aloe vera gel and a couple of spoons of glycerin and mix that together. You can also add a spoon of baking soda to that if you want. You want to taste better, you could add a lemon essential oil, maybe 1 drop. And then you have a little mixture of your own toothpaste. You can just dip your rag in that and rub it on your teeth. It's excellent for helping to remove plaque and tartar on your teeth. But this last one is interesting. If you actually have a guava tree or access to guava leaves, the guava leaves are really great for getting rid of plaque and tartar buildup. It can also reduce all the swelling that you may have in your gums. And you would just crush up the leaves a little bit and rub them onto your teeth and gums. Leave that for a minute and then rinse your mouth out. Now, remember I said there's 4 things, so this was just number 2. Now, the third thing is rinsing. You can't brush your teeth all the time, but you could rinse your mouth all the time. The best way is to just drink a little water right after you're done eating something and swish it in your mouth, and this will help to get rid of right away any buildup from accumulating. So rinsing your mouth just with plain water after you eat or snack anything is a very easy, quick way. Anyone can do that instead of having to brush every time to prevent any kind of plaque and tartar buildup. Okay, the last final thing is oil pulling. Oil pulling does not need to be done every day. You can do this every 2 days and it'll still be very effective. How would you do it? You can use coconut oil. You can use a sesame oil. These 2 are probably the best choices because they both have properties that help your teeth. I personally like the coconut oil because of the taste. Coconut oil is very great for your teeth. It's anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant, it's antimicrobial. It also helps to reduce the plaque by itself without any of these other methods. I even sometimes use the coconut oil and put it directly on my tooth rag and just rub my teeth with the coconut oil. You could do that. It helps to get rid of those bacteria that cause a tooth decay. It also greatly improves your bad breath, gets rid of that because it kills those bacteria that form bad breath. And it helps in healing with any kind of gum disease. And another good thing that they don't talk about much about oil pulling is if you do it regularly, it helps to strengthen the muscles in your cheeks and bones in your face, and it helps to prevent any kind of wrinkles from forming from laugh lines and lower face. So it's really great for even anti-aging of your face at the same time. How you would do it, you would just take a spoon, could be just a teaspoon. Some people take up to a tablespoon of coconut oil. You can do it after you're done with flossing and rubbing and rinsing your teeth, or you can do it before. And you just need to do it one time. So you don't need, if you brush and do your teeth twice a day, you only need to do the oil pulling once every other day or every 2 days. So you just put the 1 spoon of coconut oil in your mouth and then you swoosh it around for about 10 minutes, and it has amazing benefits for your teeth. Alright, those are the 4 secrets you need to start doing to never have plaque build up again on your teeth. Please try it. Leave some comments down below how it worked for you so other people can benefit from it. And did you know that eating dates can actually help your teeth, remineralize them, and a lot more? So go watch my video right here on dates so you can check it out. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.